Hey, ShiftCraft family, welcome back to the channel. Imagine driving a car for 200,000 miles, maybe even a million, and it just keeps on going. Sounds unreal, right? But today, we're diving into 13 cars that never break down. Vehicles built not just to last, but to thrive over decades. These reliability legends have been proven by real owners, experts, and generations of drivers who've pushed them to the limit. Whether you're in the market for a family sedan, a rugged SUV, or a sporty ride, these cars have set the bar for endurance. So, buckle up, hit that like button, and make sure you subscribe because by the end of this video, you might just find your next forever car. And don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's get this discussion rolling. Kicking off our list at number 13 is a true family favorite, the Honda Odyssey. Since its debut in 1994, the Odyssey has become synonymous with reliability and comfort. Take the 2022 model, for example. It boasts an impressive reliability score from J.D. Power, and countless owners have pushed these minivans past the 300,000-mile mark. With low maintenance costs, a spacious interior perfect for road trips, and top safety features, it's even earned top safety picks from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. The Odyssey is built for longevity. Whether you're shuttling the kids to school or embarking on a cross-country adventure, the Odyssey proves that durability doesn't have to come at the expense of comfort. If you're looking for a family vehicle that's as dependable as it is practical, the Honda Odyssey is a real winner. What's your family's go-to minivan? Let me know in the comments below. At number 12, we have the Mazda Miata, a sports car that's as fun to drive as it is reliable. Since its debut in 1989, the Miata has carved out a reputation for simplicity, ease of maintenance, and long-lasting performance. The NC generation, in particular, stands out for its rock-solid build quality and low annual repair costs. Many Miata owners have logged over 200,000 miles with minimal fuss, and that's thanks to its no-frills design and widely available parts. This lightweight roadster offers an exhilarating driving experience without sacrificing dependability. Whether you're carving up twisty back roads or cruising on the open highway, the Miata keeps the thrills coming mile after mile. If you're a sports car enthusiast who values longevity just as much as performance, the Mazda Miata might just be your perfect match. Smash that like button if you agree. Next on our list at number 11 is the Subaru Legacy. Known for its all-wheel drive system and versatility, the Legacy has earned a reputation for reliability in every season, especially in unpredictable weather. Early 2000s models, particularly those around 2004, set the standard with robust engines and excellent handling. With a powerful 3.0-liter flat-six option delivering solid performance and commendable fuel economy, the Legacy has become a favorite for drivers who need a car that can handle rain, snow, and everything in between. Although some models experienced minor glitches, especially with early CVT transmissions, later iterations have improved dramatically. If you're looking for an affordable sedan that's built to brave harsh conditions while still offering a fun driving experience, the Subaru Legacy is hard to beat. What do you think? Ever driven a Legacy in a winter storm? Let me know in the comments. Rolling in at number 10 is the Mazda 6, a sedan that perfectly marries style with endurance. The Mazda 6 is celebrated for its innovative engineering, featuring a 2.5-liter engine that delivers both efficiency and performance. On the highway, you can hit up to 35 miles per gallon, and its turbocharged variant cranks out an impressive 250 horsepower. But beyond performance, it's the Mazda SIX's smooth, 6-speed automatic transmission and advanced suspension system that keep it running reliably mile after mile. Add to that modern safety features like blind spot monitoring and lane departure warnings, and you have a car designed to last. Many owners have reported their Mazda SIX's cruising comfortably past 600,000 miles. It's a smart choice for anyone looking for a reliable sedan that doesn't skimp on driving pleasure. If you're a fan of Japanese engineering, drop a comment below. Mazda fans, where you at? At number 9, we shift our focus to an American icon, the Ford F-150. This legendary truck has been a workhorse for decades, and its reputation for durability is unmatched. The introduction of the EcoBoost engine in the early 2010s transformed the F-150 into a powerhouse that delivers both impressive performance and fuel efficiency. The 2018 and 2019 models, featuring lightweight aluminum body panels, have reduced rust and overall weight, making them even tougher. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or cruising through city streets, the F-150 stands ready for any challenge. Consistently topping reliability charts and with countless testimonials from loyal owners, this truck proves that true American grit never fades. If you've ever driven a F-150 or dream of owning one, smash that subscribe button and share your experiences below. Next, at number 8, we have the Chevrolet Suburban, a giant among SUVs that's been keeping families safe and comfortable for generations. The Suburban is built to handle massive cargo loads and long journeys, with up to 1,447 cubic feet of storage when the seats are folded down. Offered with several engine options, including a fuel-sipping 3.0-liter turbo diesel, the Suburban is as versatile as it is reliable. The 2012 model year, in particular, is renowned for its balanced mix of performance and durability. Whether you're taking a cross-country road trip or simply commuting with a big family, the Suburban's proven track record makes it a solid investment. Its blend of rugged construction and refined features ensures that it's built to last. If big SUVs are your thing, let me know in the comments, what's your dream family road trip in a Suburban? Now, turning to a true classic of German engineering at number 7, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class W124. Produced between 1984 and 1995, the W124 is legendary for its near-indestructible build quality. Built with an emphasis on durability, many of these models have surpassed 500,000 miles with routine maintenance. Known especially for its diesel variants, the W124 combines robust performance with the refined luxury you expect from Mercedes-Benz. Its timeless design and high-quality materials ensure that, even decades later, it remains a coveted choice for collectors and practical drivers alike. The W124 is proof that when a car is engineered to perfection, reliability becomes its hallmark. If you're a Mercedes lover or simply appreciate engineering excellence, hit that like button and share your W124 stories in the comments. At number 6, we have the ever-popular Toyota Camry, a sedan that has become the benchmark for reliability and efficiency in America. Available with both a 2.5-liter four-cylinder and a 3.5-liter V6, the Camry delivers smooth performance and impressive fuel economy, up to 28 miles per gallon in the city and 39 on the highway. Its refined 8-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless gear shifts that extend the car's life. Coupled with advanced safety features like Toyota Safety Sense, the Camry has proven itself time and again as a vehicle that can go the distance, often clocking in over 600,000 miles with minimal fuss. It's no wonder the Camry has been a bestseller for decades. If you've experienced the Camry's dependability firsthand, drop a comment and let us know your story. Next up, at number 5, we shine the spotlight on another Honda legend, the Honda Accord. Renowned for its combination of style, performance, and rock-solid reliability, the Accord has been a favorite for drivers looking for longevity and efficiency. Whether it's the fuel-sipping four-cylinder or the more robust V6 variant, the Accord is engineered for low maintenance and high durability. Many owners report their Accords running well beyond 300,000 miles without major issues. With a spacious, comfortable interior and an intuitive driving experience, the Accord remains one of the smartest choices for a daily driver that won't let you down. If you agree that Hondas are built to last, be sure to hit that like button and share your favorite Accord moment in the comments. At number 4, we venture off the beaten path with the Toyota 4Runner, a true champion for adventure seekers. This rugged SUV is famed for its body-on-frame construction, which allows it to tackle even the toughest terrains without breaking a sweat. Powered by a dependable engine that's been proven time and again, the 4Runner can easily exceed 300,000 miles while still delivering a comfortable ride on and off the road. Its high ground clearance and robust suspension make it the perfect companion for off-road excursions and long-distance road trips alike. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time explorer, the 4Runner's blend of toughness and reliability ensures it's built to last. If you love off-road adventures, smash that subscribe button and let me know about your wildest 4Runner experience. Stepping into the big leagues at number 3 is the Toyota Land Cruiser, a global icon renowned for its unmatched durability. Built for both off-road conquests and comfortable highway cruising, the Land Cruiser can routinely push past the million-mile mark when properly maintained. Its robust engine, luxury-grade interior, and bulletproof build have made it a favorite among drivers who demand nothing but the best in reliability and performance. Whether you're tackling rugged terrain or embarking on a long family road trip, the Land Cruiser stands as a testament to Toyota's commitment to quality and longevity. If you're looking for a vehicle that's truly built to last, the Land Cruiser is hard to beat. Let us know in the comments if you've ever experienced a Land Cruiser that defied the odds. Runner-up at number 2 is the mighty Toyota Sequoia, a full-size SUV that redefines family travel. Launched in 2000 and refined over the years, the Sequoia has earned a reputation for being a powerhouse on wheels. With solid reliability ratings, particularly in models from 2009 onward, this beast combines rugged durability with spacious comfort. Low maintenance costs, impressive towing capacity, and a refined interior make the Sequoia a standout choice for long hauls and family adventures. Its ability to handle high mileage without compromising performance or safety makes it one of Toyota's most dependable SUVs. If you're in the market for a vehicle that can handle both daily commutes and epic road trips, the Toyota Sequoia deserves a top spot on your list. Drop a comment if you've experienced the Sequoia's legendary durability. And finally, taking the crown at number 1 is the one and only Lexus LS400, a luxury sedan that redefined reliability. Launched in 1989, the LS400 has been celebrated for its smooth V8 engine, refined ride, and a build quality that can outlast decades. Even automotive journalist Matt Farah has taken his LS400 to over 1 million miles, proving that luxury and longevity can indeed go hand in hand. With its understated yet sophisticated design, the LS400 offers an unparalleled combination of comfort, performance, and low maintenance costs, making it a true investment piece for those who demand excellence. If you dream of owning a luxury car that stands the test of time, the Lexus LS400 is the ultimate choice. Let me know in the comments if you agree that this is the pinnacle of durable luxury. That's it for today's countdown of the 13 cars that simply never break down. Each one of these vehicles has been tried, tested, and trusted by real drivers over countless miles, proving that with the right care, a car can be your lifelong companion. If you enjoyed this deep dive into automotive legends, please hit that like button, leave your thoughts or experiences in the comments, and subscribe to ShiftCraft for more expert tips and exclusive car reviews. Let's get the conversation going. What car would you choose for a lifetime of dependable driving? Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.